Welcome to Curious Media, where we explore the most intriguing and mysterious corners of our universe. Have you ever wondered what the most bizarre and terrifying planets in our universe look like? Have you ever imagined visiting a planet where the surface reflects no light at all, or a planet that's in the process of evaporating? Well, today we're going to take a look at the most terrifying planets as identified by none other than NASA themselves. Get ready to be amazed, scared, and fascinated all at the same time. Are you ready to embark on a journey to the most eerie and strange planets in the universe? Then join us on today's episode of Curious Media. Number 7. Kepler 438 bits. Located 640 light-years away from us, Kepler 438 bits is an exoplanet that orbits a red dwarf star called Kepler 438. It's located in the constellation of Leo, and it's known as an Earth-like planet, as it's similar in size and composition to our own planet. However, there's a catch. This exoplanet is located in an area known as the habitable zone of its star, which is the area where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist. The catch is that this exoplanet is bombarded by dangerous radiation from its star. The radiation is so intense that it's estimated that the planet loses about 1 meter of its atmosphere per second. It's a planet that's in the process of being stripped of its atmosphere, making it uninhabitable in the near future. Number 6. LP 4365. This partially burnt white dwarf is a strange and eerie sight. A white dwarf is a star that has exhausted all of its nuclear fuel, and in this case, the final explosion was not powerful enough to destroy the entire star. It's like a star wanted to explode, but didn't quite make it. This means that part of the matter still survived, and it's now a zombie star, just left over from an explosion. Number 5. Tress 2b, located 750 light-years away from us. Tress 2b is a gas giant that orbits a yellow dwarf, a star similar to our Sun. It's also about 1.5 times more massive than Jupiter. But if you're afraid of the dark, this is not the place for you. Tress 2b is known as the planet of eternal night, as it's the darkest planet known to us. The surface of the planet reflects light even worse than coal, making it seem like there's no light at all. To make matters worse, there's an eerie deep red glow surrounding the surface of the planet, caused by the burning atmosphere, making Tress 2b a scorching hot planet with an air temperature hotter than lava. Number 4. Poltergeist, Drager, and Fobatore. Located 2,300 light-years away from the Sun, these 3 exoplanets in the constellation Virgo are much lighter than Earth. They're all about to become ghost planets soon, as they don't revolve around a star, but around a pulsar. Pulsars are rotating neutron stars with an extremely powerful magnetic field. They're stars that exploded one day and now emit an extremely powerful pulse that causes the star to rotate at an unimaginable speed, several thousand rotations per second. They also constantly emit electromagnetic pulses that affect everything around them. So these planets are slowly being destroyed under the gigantic influence of radiation, and will one day disappear without a trace. It's not surprising that scientists have nicknamed this pulsar Lich, despite its long official name. Number 3. HV 189733 bits. This gas giant, located 65 light-years away from us, is slightly more massive than Jupiter and orbits its star, an orange dwarf all alone. At first glance, it may seem friendly with a pleasant blue color and curls on the surface, reminiscent of a summer sky or sea waves. However, looks can be deceiving, and HD 189,733 is anything but friendly. The planet is plagued with hurricanes, with winds reaching up to 10,000 miles per hour, and its atmosphere is composed of glass rain that falls from the sky at a temperature of 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. WASP 12 bits. Located 600 light-years away from us, WASP 12 bits is an exoplanet that orbits a star called WASP 12. It's a hot Jupiter, which means it's a gas giant similar to Jupiter, but much closer to its star. The planet is so close to its star that it only takes 1.1 Earth days to orbit it. This means that the planet is constantly bathed in intense radiation, which has caused its atmosphere to expand and stretch out like a comet. Scientists estimate that the planet is losing about 10 million kilograms of its atmosphere per second. This is not just a slow process, but a planet that's literally evaporating before our very eyes. Number 1. Kepler 1600 1049c, located 300 light-years away from us. Kepler 1649c is an exoplanet that orbits a red dwarf star called Kepler 1649. It's located in the constellation of Leo, and it's considered to be the most isolated known exoplanet. It's isolated in the sense that it's the only known planet in its solar system, and it's also located in an area of space known as the galactic desert. This means that there are very few stars in the immediate vicinity, and it's completely alone in the vast emptiness of space. This planet is extremely cold, with temperatures reaching -170 degrees Celsius, and its surface is covered in ice and snow. It's truly a frozen wasteland, and it's hard to imagine that life could survive on such a planet. The universe is full of strange and terrifying things, but it's also what makes it so fascinating. We hope you've enjoyed this journey with us, and we can't wait to explore more of the universe's mysteries with you in the future. So, what's your favorite terrifying planet from our list? And would you like to visit one of these planets? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Curious Media for more intriguing and fascinating discoveries, and we'll see you in the next episode.